in Colorado, we've been having some really weird weather, 90-degree days during February and March. We had a freak snowstorm come in, heavy snow. The trees were blooming because they thought it was summer, and this is what happened to the tree in the backyard. Just tore our tree up. You could hear it cracking. Top of the tree just broke off from the weight of the snow. Took the power line down. Didn't disconnect it from the house, but I had to cut it away. Weather is just ridiculous. We've had 90-degree weather in February and March. Everything's blooming. Everything thinks it's summer. This is just weird. Tore up a bunch of trees in this state. But we do need the moisture. We've been in a drought.